So this is what Mom's kitchen's looking like right now. This door area was widened. It was only 30 inches, so that was kind of a problem. And get ready, because there's cabinets now. We don't have the countertops on them yet, but we do have the cabinets. Obviously, the window has not yet been enlarged and had its new window replacement, but there's that. We're leaving the wraps on the doors so that they don't get any dust into the lip there. That's where the fridge is going to be. I'll back up so you can see better. So that's where this one doesn't have the doors. This one doesn't have the doors on it yet. Doors are going to go get there. Microwave goes there. Countertop there. That's the fridge. This is where the dishwasher is going to go. Uppers, enlarged window. By the way, the cabinets are going to be done Friday and they are fabulous. The sink area, obviously this is like a little lazy Susan dealio in there. You can't see it's covered up with stuff. Here's a little pull out, you know, whatever you want, dish stuff or whatever. And this is where the stove will be. You kind of can't see it because of this. So that's where the stove will be. The hood will be right there. That's the hood. And this is going to be like a little peninsula dealio. There's I'm going to put like cookbooks there. I have this there to show how far out the peninsula will come. This will have the white skin on it like the rest of it. This will be covered with a barn door, like I said before. And my current dilemma is, where should that wiring go? I don't think it should be centered, because we still have to have like enough of a path to go into the laundry room, which, by the way, there's a brand new washer and dryer sitting in there. And anyway, that's that. I'll show you also the progress on the bathroom in the, get this out of the way. So it's totally done. Missing toilet, very stinky. So this looks super fabulous. It looks really awesome. And he did a beautiful job here as well with the little notch out for the I don't want to back up because I don't want to stand in the gaping toilet hole. Anyway, there's that. So that's the scoop. Okay, bye.